Hello class, my name's Josh McMahon. I am in my second year as an RSP Learning Center teacher at Butler Elementary School in Elk Grove, California. I'm taking this course to get my autism authorization and as well I'm also taking CLAD courses to get my credential cleared in California. I went to New Mexico Highlands University for my bachelor's in special education. I got my teacher credential in New Mexico and moved here 3 years ago, and I'm still in the process of clearing my credential. As well, I've also taught I worked as a para in two schools, one on the high school level as a one-to-one paraeducator for a kid with Down syndrome in a independent living skills class. And I also was a para for a K1 autism class in Twin River School District here in Sacramento. And that was a very interesting experience, really being introduced to a whole group of kids with severe autism, and to see a lot of kids that were nonverbal and kids that really just needed the consistent routines and the behavior plans. So it was definitely eye-opening for me as a new educator and someone that was just new to working with students with autism. And I learned a lot, and I'm excited to learn more in this course. I think through this course I hope to definitely build more knowledge and strategies and obviously the characteristics of autism. And right now I currently teach two students in my small groups in the Learning Center have autism. They are actually not on my caseload, but we provide services for ELA and math for those students. I'm excited for this course and excited to learn and excited to have our great discussions together and have a good experience. So hope you guys enjoyed the video.